So, man and his wife walk into a car dealership. They walking around the showroom floor, and they walk past this parrot. This parrot says, "Psst, hey, mister, come on over here." Guy looks around, walks over to the parrot. Parrot says, "Your wife's ugly." Guy said, "What'd you say?" Said, "Your wife's ugly." Customer walks away. Sales manager overhears this, comes over, grabs the parrot, takes him back into the sales office. Said, "If you ever talk to a customer like that again, if I ever hear you talking like that again, I'm going to shake you, I'm going to pull every feather out of you, I'm going to make a sandwich out of you, and we're going to have you for lunch on Saturday mornings after the meetings. You understand me? Don't ever say that to a customer again." Parrot goes, "Okay." He walks him back out, puts him back in his cage. The husband and wife are walking around, they're walking back out of the dealership. The parrot says, "Hey, mister, psst. You know, folks, let me ask you something. Isn't it funny how it's not only what's said on a showroom floor, but sometimes what's left unsaid that costs us a customer and a client?" AutoMax sales training. We provide and develop committed, well-trained salespeople with no bad habits.